So guys, we're going to the exciting part, of course. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh. Hi everyone, I'm back for another vlog. So the past few days have been very tiring because my mom was hospitalized and of course I was so tired of all these responsibilities, of course. But she's feeling better now, and she was hospitalized for almost 1 week, so it's been long. But yeah, she's doing good right now. So yesterday, I received this parcel, and I'm going to unbox it today. So I'm very excited to open this parcel na because we're always excited to open parcels, right? By the way, this is Xiaojun's NCT Nation jersey. So, syempre, alam ko naman na yung itsura niya, pero it feels different if you will see the actual product, diba? Oh my God, excited na ako. Since I bought this parcel from Magic Spells store online. So, I'll just flash a screenshot of their account in case you're interested. So guys, we're going to the exciting part, of course. I'm going to try this. By the way guys, NCT Nation, if you're aware naman, it's like the world tour of the whole NCT unit, diba? So, I forgot the exact year, pero they had this world tour. I mean, not really world tour kasi ilang country lang naman yung napuntahan ata nila nun. And ayun, meron silang sinuot na jersey doon. So, ayun, merong mga stores na gawa nung I mean nagbenta of course nung mga jerseys for the fans. Kasi of course it's a merch. So yeah, thank you Magic Spells for this one. Paano ba yan, Xiaojun? Matchy-matchy na tayo. Huy! I got Xiaojun's jersey. Oh, XJ yan. XJ08 small. So, small size yung kinuha ko. Yarn. And ayan, merong photo dyan. NCT Nation. Yan. Napakadami ko ng damit. Bumili na naman ako. But I've been into, clothes lately. Kaya bumibili ako. Ah, gosh. Yan. Yan na. Ang bango. Ayan, no? Paano ba yan, Xiaojun? Why am I so happy right now? I feel like I'm a girlfriend of a basketball player. Yes! This is not sponsored, ha, guys. But this is the store. Medyo malabo. But yeah, Magic Spells .co since 2021. So, matagal na pala sila. Actually, nakikita ko na talaga yung store nila before. And madami sila talaga mga binibentang merch ng K-pop. So, meron silang TikTok, Twitter, Shopee, and Lazada. Yan. So, flash ko ulit. In case you're interested to buy items from them, especially if you're a K-pop fan. By the way, guys, I forgot. May freebie sila. Yes, slay! So, this is bag tag. NCT Nation, Neo Culture Technology, Incheon, Osaka, Tokyo. Dun nga lang ata sila nagka-NCT Nation. Yan. Meron pang bag tag or keychain. Oh my God, so pretty. Ito let's show it. Wait, baligtad. Yan. Of course, nandiyan yung pangalan ng BF ko. BF! And this one. Yay! super comfy suotin, guys. And sakto lang sa akin. Kasi maliit lang naman ako, kaya small yung binili ko. So, look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. Parang ang ganda ko talaga pag naka-black ako. Anyway, ayun. Hala, shucks. Ano ba yan? Bakit bagay sa akin, ha? Neo got my back. Ayan. So, papakita ko na lang yung whole body ko na photo, ha? But, yeah. Feel na feel ko namang maging jowa ni Xiaojun ngayon. Parang ano, go sexy labang atake. Yan.
That's my Genji, my sexy love! Go sexy! Go sexy! Go sexy, sexy love!
Ready na po mag-cheer ng basketball player na BF. Charot! So, thank you so much po ulit, Magic Spells, for this very comfy jersey. And of course, this freebie. Super cute. Yan, may bago na naman tayong, ibabalandra sa labas. Huy! That's all for today, guys. And thank you so much for watching my vlog. See you next content. Bye-bye and take care.